Hey y'all, what's going on out there? Moku Correa with MokuCorrea.com. Back after with another video, and I just want to get it out. This is a good message, so listen up and listen good, alright my friends? So, this is a question. Do you guys believe in fairy tales? I know we all grew up with them as kids. Fairy tales, watching Disney Channel, watching how fairy tales come true all the time. People coming from rags to riches, like that. Do you guys believe that? You guys grew up watching that as a kid, and so you kind of get embedded with that in your brain that it can happen and that you don't have to do anything to get from rags to riches. But I'm sorry, my friends, I'm sorry to bust your bubble, but guess what? That's not really how it happens. It never happens that way. It never ever happens that way. You're never going to come from rags to riches without busting your butt, working your butt off to get to those riches. You guys know what I'm saying? Fairy tales are exactly what they are. They're fairy tales. They're fake. They're made up. Yes, they're beautiful and they sound amazing, but they're just not true, and it just doesn't happen in the real world that we all live in. Okay, guys? If you really want to get to your fairy tale life, you want to get to a place that you dream of every single night, things that you see in your dreams, living the life that you always wanted to live, doing the things you want to do, you have to work hard. You gotta work hard. You gotta dedicate yourself to whatever you want to do, especially in the internet lifestyle and the internet business. Making money from the internet, guys. This is the type of thing that you want to do. This is the life you want to live. You want an internet life. You have to work your butt off. People, that's what's wrong with people. They're so scared to sacrifice now. They don't want to sacrifice now in order to get to a place for a couple years. You know, sacrifice now. Work your butt off day in, day out. Be consistent. Be diligent. Be determined. Do it every single day for a couple years, and then you'll be able to play for the rest of your life. People don't realize that. They waste their time playing all the time, doing things that are not getting them anywhere. It's actually getting probably in a worse place than they start off. But if you just sacrifice, guys, you just see what I'm saying? Sacrifice your time, sacrifice some money, sacrifice a lot of things in your life. And keep building. Just keep pushing forward. Have that vision in your head. Have that goal. See that goal every single day. And keep pushing forward every single day, every single hour. If it takes you sleepless nights to do it, takes you a couple years to do it, then that's what you got to do. You sacrifice for a couple years now. Work your ass off. Work your ass off like you never worked before. I promise you, you will be successful, and you will get to an ultimate place that you want. Your life will change for the better. And then you can go and play. Go play. Go have a good time. Go do what you want. Buy yourself something. Who cares? It's your goal. It's your time to do it. And that's what you just got to sacrifice. So if you guys really want to do this, guys, you guys want the fairy tale life, the fairy tale dream, live the life that you want, you got to sacrifice now. You can't expect it just to come out of nowhere and you're going to be successful all of a sudden. You're going to go from rags to riches. Yes, you can go from rags to riches, but in between those rags to riches is bust your butt. Work your tail off. Dedicate yourself. Constantly learn. Spread value. Every single day, guys. I can't put enough on that you have to do it every single day. You can't just do it once a week and expect things to change. If you want to get to a certain place, I don't care if it's $100,000 a month, $1 million a month, you gotta bust your butt like you never busted your butt before. This is a test, guys. This is a test to see, and people are watching you to see if you quit. If you want to get to that place, you gotta work, and you will. I promise you, you will get to that fairy tale life. You will have your fairy tale life. Just keep working your ass off, my friends. Keep working your ass off like you never worked your ass off before, and don't let anything, I'm telling you, anything stop you. No one, nothing. Those are just barriers that you can bust through and get to your goal. Nothing's going to stop you. Nothing's going to stop me. Once you got that vision, once you decide, success is a decision away. That's it. You just got to keep pushing forward and keep doing it. And whatever you do, do not quit. Do not quit. Don't be a failure anymore. It's done. No more time to fail. It's time to succeed in your life. It's time to be the thing, the person, the business person that you always wanted to be. Stop being someone that's just putting pity on themselves every day. don't do it anymore. It's not helping anybody. Help yourself succeed. Put yourself out there and just do it, guys. Just do it. You want that fairy tale life. You want to live the life you always wanted to live. You got to do it now, and you got to take the time and sacrifice and work your ass off. I'm telling you, work your ass off. I'm going to help you with that if that's what you want. Just let me know. Contact me below. I'll leave links below. I'll leave a link to my blog. Contact me. We'll chat. We'll connect. We'll work this out together, guys. Best thing to do, it's hard to do things by yourself. Do things with somebody that has the same vision as you, has the same mindset, and can also help you to get to your place, to get to your certain goal that you want to be. You got to start. Everybody starts somewhere. Stop procrastinating, stop wasting time, my friends. There's no more time for wasting. Only time to build your life. Fairy tale dream, fairy tale life, if that's what you want, you can get it. You just got to sacrifice. And if you're going to sacrifice, let me know. I can help you do that. I'll help you get there. That's what I'm here for. That's what I do. I love to help people. I love it. I enjoy it. It brings me joy. And I can't wait to help you out. So all you got to do, is that a bee? Whoa, saw the bees flying to camera. Bumblebee. See, he knows what's going on. He wants to join. He wants to hang out. So anyway, guys, back to it. If you guys want your help, my help, you want me to help you out, please go. Click below, go to my blog, leave me a comment, get in touch with me on my Facebook, message me, whatever you have to do. Get in touch with me, and we'll work this out, guys, alright? Get you to your fairy tale life, get you to the place that you want to be, alright? As simple as that. Be ready to dedicate, ready to work your ass off. Because that's what it's all about. Work your ass off for a couple years and play for the rest of your life. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Come on, man. Who wouldn't want to do that? I know I do. If you guys don't, turn away from this video right now and go the other way, please. You're just wasting time. People that are watching this now that are ready, click below and get started. Get with me, alright? I'll leave the link below, like I said, get on it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. It's beautiful out here in Hawaii, like always. We got to see the sun's a little bright, so it's going to get bright and dark, see? And it's beautiful, man. I get to live on the beach every single day and work every single day. Dedicate, bust my butt every single day. I'm going to help you guys do the same. Get in touch with me. I'll see you all on the next video. Take care, guys. This is Moku with MokuKorea.com. I'll see you real soon. Aloha.